Do a video of 7417 Seclusion Ridge in South Arlington. They're just building this area. It's 60 homes going in here with a huge 13-acre park going up back there. And I think there's 13 lots that are still open, something like that, or that haven't been sold. This is a Boyd Builders, there's two Boyds in the area. This is Boyd Builders. And it's a 39 something square foot house, just under 4,000 square feet. It's 4-bedroom with a den slash office, 3-car garage. Pretty big lot for the area. I'm just going to do a quick walk around. It's got one tree there, but if you had a boat or something, you could knock that tree down. It doesn't look that healthy anyway. You could build back there. Let's do a little walk through of the exterior. Of course, the 3-car garage. Don't have the specs handy on the lot size, but it's pretty deep. It's actually an extremely deep lot for the, but that's what you expect in an upscale gated community. And as you can see, plenty of room for not just a pool. You'd build a pool house, and you could even build a covered, it's in South Arlington, so as long as you're behind a gate in your backyard, you're good to park, like if you had a boat or an RV. Although for this kind of an area, I wouldn't bring just anything here, but certainly to park a nicer RV or a boat. More than enough room. That's rare, and it's already got the pad built to allow you access back here. It's because I've already come through. Let's enter this home. This is a custom built spec home by Boyd Builders. So nice patio in the back. Got electric. It's already got gas out here. This side, pretty typical. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet to the fence. One window facing this way. It's a bedroom we'll look at in a minute. But it's pretty nice. Clearly, this is built in such a way with more than enough land to again, put a pool house back in here, park whatever you want over there, have a playground or trampoline or whatever. It's more than enough. You could play football back here if you didn't do that. Catch, you don't have to worry about the ball going over the fence because there's plenty of room. Let's go ahead and go inside. So again, this house is basically ready to be sold. There's a little bit of fit and finish stuff that they're working on. They don't have the range in, or the oven, or the dishwasher. I guess that's owner gets to select, I guess. I'm just guessing. So as we come in, obviously, first we've got a breakfast nook. Nice chandelier, easy access to all the electrical. Kitchen with plenty of storage, plenty of cabinets, and then even the display type cabinets all along the top. So there's really 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cabinets, plus 13, 14, 15, 16. Forget if there's any over here. Garbage, 16, and under sink. So 16 sets plus one in a drawer. Good size walk-in pantry. Lit. Six shelves. Very nice. Hardwood all the way through. I don't know what kind of countertop this is, but that's one solid piece, so that's got to be some kind of a, I mean, that's just a purchase product, but that's very nice. Let's go ahead and, since we're here, go into the master. So there's a powder room off the main living area, right next to the master. Pretty standard. Here's the master. You walk through, kind of give all the corners. Decent sized master. Pretty nice. Executive style, retreat style. Bathroom area for the master bath. So it's a really great walk-in shower. With it's tiled all the way, basically all four sides are tiled. Little bench, the bench is a little small. I think it'd be better if the bench went all the way. Walk-in closet with plenty of storage. Even all the way to the ceiling. You have to get some kind of hook, but plenty of storage. Again, towels and whatnot. Really like the double sink. Commode is in here. Nice jetted tub. It's pretty nice. This house is listed for $530, and stop and look at that real quick. So that's 3,900 square feet, 2-story, four bedroom study, 3.5 baths, 2 dining, spiral staircase, catwalk, laundry utility, pantry, game room, patio, 3-car garage. So they're asking $549,900 for it. So here's the main living area. Again, there's a TV here, some entertainment, plenty of place to sit. Electrical, I don't even know what format we would put it in, but that's nice. So here is the main dining area. Pretty typical. Could be, you could change that, turn that into a more of just another sitting area if you wanted, and change the chandelier out. Laundry's back here. A little bit of a mudroom. It's just a place to put everything when you come in from the garage. It doesn't help much from the backyard, but hey, that's all right. So plenty of places to do your laundry. You can fold and sort in here, wash, cabinets. It's got the full-size hookups, of course. Plenty of room, and then additional storage up there, then even additional storage. Passes tons and tons of lit storage. Everywhere you go, there's storage, and it's all nicely floored. It's got kind of a, I don't even know what size that is. It's probably a 16 by 24, I'm just guessing. Kind of a tile. Shoes and whatnot. Hooks. All right, let's take a look at the garage. Typical 3-car garage, really, really nice. So they have the 3 cars. Sprinkler system, obviously. It's already, it's been textured out here as well. Certainly could put a workbench in. I don't know, I like to see those covered better, but that's fine. 2 hot water heaters for the house. You know, typically you're 20 feet deep. It's about 19, 20 feet deep, so you're going to be able to pull a full-size car, SUV. Bigger truck probably would not fit in this garage, but that's what you've got. Extra area to park at. All right, let's continue the downstairs tour. All right, so on the other end of downstairs is the office/study. Really, really nice ceilings in here. And built-in bookcase. You know, put a desk, you know, somewhere in here. Another bookcase or 2. Quiet. Thick door, but with glass. I think you can get a lot of work done in here. Okay, let's go upstairs. All right, so as you come into the house, you notice a really nice front entry. And as you enter the house, this is what you see. So, of course, the office, great spiral staircase, the catwalk up there. And then, of course, this. So let's go ahead and go upstairs. Chandelier. Lights. This is really solidly built. No creaking at all. First thing we see when we're up here, it's a game room. A very, very large game room. Outlets everywhere with cable port there. Of course, that could be moved. Any house, you run it up, drop it from the ceiling or whatever. Trying to see what the best configuration for a home theater would be. Probably would be over there. That's my opinion. Find a way to shell it in. You've got extra attic access over there on the right corner, which, you know, let's just be honest, it always gets in the way, but it's nice to have over the garage and whatnot. But never, you know, it prevents you from putting stuff. It prevents stuff from going in the corner there. Should put that, you know, some kind of a screen there or something, probably. But that's the game room. So 3 bedrooms upstairs. A little bit of extra storage. First bedroom. And they've got these great built-in. That's about 7 feet. Top of my hands are 8 feet. So that's 7 feet. You know, 2 bathrooms upstairs. Here we go. So, you know, that's a pretty nice bathroom for an upstairs bedroom. It's full bath, so again, tiled in. And the second sets of bedrooms, I guess bedroom, again, more storage. Bedroom 3 and 4, I guess, have a Jack and Jill. But this window faces the house over here. Honestly, probably would have preferred a window here. But a little bit of a shallow closet, but not terrible. You can get stuff in. Again, it's lit. Tall ceilings. Again, that's probably 10 feet in here. Yeah. 2 sinks. Upstairs, 1 bathtub, 1 commode. Again, same style, very nice. Jack and Jill, locking doors. Oops. And then the 4th bedroom. And the 4th bedroom's interesting and has 2 closet areas. One that's more of a shelf space with a little hidden little area back in here. A nice view out this bedroom window, where they're going to build their park. 13-acre park is going to be over there. So, and there'll be, well, there'll probably be 1, 2, 3, 4. There'll be, you know, upscale lots, so upsized lots. There'll be. Someday somebody will watch this who lives here and they'll say, wow, that's what it looked like before it was built. And here's this closet. And that's the upstairs. So that kind of concludes the tour of this house. Of course, there's attic access up here. Not my house, but boy, it certainly is a nice place. So if you're in the South Arlington, Mansfield area, these are Mansfield ISD schools. You know, come take a look at this house. Is I think pretty reasonable for what you get. And considering you don't see a lot of these types of lots anymore with that much room. Yeah, there's a neighbor with a trampoline in the backyard. I do know there's questions whether or not they build a pool. It's kind of up to the HOA. But with 60 houses in here, you'd basically have a 1/60th of a vote, I guess. But, and that's it. Thanks for watching.